Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create structured outputs using Claude AI in 2026. So if you want cleaner AI responses like tables, bullet points, checklists, or organized reports, yeah, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Then sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can start creating prompts for structured responses. One of the most important things is telling Claude exactly how you want the output formatted. So instead of asking for general information, request bullet points, numbered steps, tables, summaries, or JSON-style responses. Another useful trick is asking Claude to organize information into headings and sections. Yeah, this makes long responses easier to read and much more professional looking. If you need tutorials or workflows, ask Claude to generate step-by-step instructions. I mean, structured steps are much easier to follow compared to large blocks of text. One powerful method is giving Claude an example of the format you want. This helps the AI match your preferred structure more accurately and consistently. If the response still looks messy, use follow-up prompts to improve it. So yeah, you can ask Claude to shorten sections, reorganize content, add categories, or simplify the formatting. And that's how to create structured outputs using Claude AI in 2026. Once you start giving clear formatting instructions and using examples, your AI responses become cleaner, easier to read, and more professional. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI productivity tutorials and prompt writing tips. Hey everyone!